Guys, welcome back. It's Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Hey, today I found this really cool car at a car show. It is the car on the sign in front of me, and I'm going to show you the car in a minute. Just hold tight. I know you're excited as I am, but I wanted you to be able to read this sign that's here in front of the car. You should read everything on there. And now, without further ado, the car. Guys, is that badass or what? I don't make a habit of swearing on here. Hope that badass is not offended, offendable language. But that's exactly what this is. This car's got flames all over it. It's really cool. Love the white with all the flames on it. It's got a lot of metallic in the white. It looks almost pearl. It's really nice. Very nice. Look at that, guys. This thing's nice. I feel very fortunate to be out here able to do this in my semi-retirement, to get you guys these awesome videos and bring them to people who may or may not be able to get out to see this kind of stuff. I hope that it is reaching you guys. I hope that you'll comment on my YouTube channel, please, and let me know if I'm doing a good job for you. I do this because I am a car enthusiast, and I also do this for you because you are a car enthusiast like me. So with that said, I do this for you and I, mainly you. I like to make people happy. It's what I've been doing all my life. I can't imagine doing anything else. So we'll keep on going like this, hopefully together. Guys, this is an awesome car. It's so cool. The flame work on here is amazing. It's just, the paint works great and the flames are awesome. That is really cool. I'm a fan of the Joker. I don't know, maybe that's my personality flaw, but I just always have been a fan of the Joker. And, that's the way it is. So, guys, I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company, Palmetto, Florida, showing off cars, trucks, Jeeps, motorcycles, trucks with fire trucks, trucks with flames, trucks with farm trucks, all kind of trucks. I show off airplanes and lawnmowers, and the list just goes on. I've got cars with flames, I've got cars without flames, VW buses. I've got tons and tons of stuff that I've been showing off, and if you stick around and see my content, you'll see some of what I'm talking about. Some of what I have videoed in the past is what I call the lost archives. They will not be posted until the very end of my career, and then they will be posted. Guys, with that said, I'm going to end this video right here. I think the car speaks for itself. It's absolutely stunning. Again, the paintwork, the color scheme, it's definitely the flashiest car here today. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end it. I'm going to end right where we started. We started right here. Guys, thank you for being here today and sharing these moments that I create together with me. I hope that you will be able to go out with your families and have fun and maybe talk about this, show the video to people, and just have a good time reminiscing about it. So again, please subscribe, like, click the notifications, and share these videos. It's very important to me. I appreciate you as much as you appreciate me. I'll keep doing this as long as I can. Thank you so much.